Peppa Pig, Peppa's first pet. Splish, splash, splosh. This is Goldie the fish. Goldie is very special. She is Peppa's first pet. Mummy and Daddy Pig helped Peppa choose her from the pet shop a few weeks ago. Today, when Mummy Pig feeds Goldie, Peppa notices that Goldie doesn't look happy. "Mummy, Goldie isn't eating her food," cries Peppa. "Oh dear," says Mummy Pig. "Maybe she's not feeling very well. Let's phone Dr. Hamster the vet." Dr. Hamster says that they should bring Goldie to see her right away. "Let's take the bus," says Mummy Pig. Beep beep. "Oh look, here it is." "Hooray!" shout Peppa and George. "One mummy ticket and 2 little piggies, please, Miss Rabbit," snorts Mummy Pig. "And 1 fish, please," giggles Peppa. Miss Rabbit stops to pick up Mr. Bull. He is taking his tuba to the music shop to get it mended. "Hello, your fish doesn't look very happy. Shall I play her a tune?" What a funny noise. Next, Madame Gazelle and her friends get on the bus. "Hello, Peppa. Oh, is your fish poorly? Let's sing her a song to cheer her up. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long." At the vet, when Mummy Pig puts food in Goldie's bowl, Goldie grins and eats it all. Maybe Goldie was bored at home. The fun bus journey must have cheered her up, laughs Dr. Hamster. "You have a very healthy, happy fish. She's lovely." Peppa is very happy. "Mummy, it must have been the music and singing that made Goldie better," she giggles. And everyone on the bus home sings. The fish in the bowl swims round and round, round and round, round and round. The fish in the bowl swims round and round all day long. The end.
Hi kids, did you have fun watching this video? Then like and subscribe for more.